Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to put or set a layer behind a PDF text or image. Open your PDF file and click on this layer option, this left sidebar. Now select the option menu and click on this drop down arrow and select import as layer. Now select browse option and open your layer here on this side and insert this layer. And I'll insert this layer page number 3 and this order option, this layer appear on in front of page and simply select it appear behind page and see this layer now appear behind page. Now select OK. Give this layer name. Now select OK and page number 3 and series. This layer now inserted behind this image and page. Yeah, this is. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.